Bonjour, je suis Jean-Louis Bancel, le président du Crédit Coopératif. Je suis un membre du conseil d'administration de l'Alliance coopérative internationale. J'ai siégé pendant un certain temps au titre des secteurs et maintenant j'ai été élu au titre de la France. Et j'ai par ailleurs le privilège d'être le président du comité des principes. Et donc je voudrais dire quelques mots à la mémoire de Ian Macpherson. J'ai croisé, je n'ai pas un vrai souvenir d'Ian Macpherson en 1995, lorsque nous avons adopté les principes coopératifs actuellement en vigueur. C'est lui qui avait été la cheville ouvrière des principes coopératifs en vigueur. J'étais à Manchester en 1995 lorsque nous avons adopté ces principes coopératifs. En revanche, plus tard, j'ai eu le plaisir de rencontrer et de travailler de nombreuses fois avec Ian Macpherson sur sa dimension de chercheur en faveur de l'éducation coopérative, en faveur des principes coopératifs et en faveur de la paix. Et lorsque l'Assemblée générale de l'Alliance m'a demandé de retravailler sur une reformulation des principes coopératifs, j'ai évidemment demandé au conseil d'administration de l'Alliance que Ian soit membre du comité. Et je peux vous dire que Ian a été jusqu'aux derniers instants très présent, très actif sur le travail de la reformulation des principes coopératifs. Je me rappelle très bien que nous continuons à travailler, d'ailleurs par système de vidéoconférence, et que nous avons eu une conférence pour travailler sur les principes coopératifs 2 semaines avant que Ian ne décède. Et donc je peux vous dire que pour moi c'est une personne très importante pour le mouvement coopératif que nous avons perdu. Ian a apporté cette capacité à regarder le monde changer et à voir comment les valeurs coopératives, tout en restant permanentes, sont toujours adaptées au temps présent. Donc je voudrais, au nom de tous, en mon nom personnel, le remercier de son engagement. Merci.
My name is Martin Lowry. I am the Executive Vice President of the National Rural Electric Cooperative Association in the United States. We miss Ian Macpherson greatly. He was a true leader in the cooperative program. I remember most specifically a meeting in Venice with the Cooperative Research Committee. And Ian did a paper at that meeting which I remember very distinctly to this day, in which he talked about the need to take an integrated viewpoint about what cooperatives are. As an historian, one would have expected he would want to see the history of cooperatives included in any discussion about the importance of cooperatives. But he also went on to talk about the disciplines of sociology, political science, economics, law, accounting and finance, and psychology. And it left a profound impression on me. My father was an historian who taught at DePaul University in Chicago, so I grew up understanding the value and importance of history. Ian reinforced that, but reinforced even more importantly the idea that a holistic approach to understanding the importance of cooperatives and the value of cooperatives in any economy is really critical to recognizing why our future needs to have a broad inclusion of cooperatives in every country around the world. Thank you, Ian, for everything that you did in your career, and a great career it was, totally focused on the importance of cooperatives. We really appreciated what you did, and we will carry it forward to the best of our ability.
Eu, particularmente, como algumas outras lideranças do cooperativismo, tivemos a oportunidade no passado não só de conhecer, mas também de conviver com o Ian Macpherson. Uma figura exuberante, movida pelo cooperativismo. Se quiser citar pelo menos um dos seus feitos, um dos seus trabalhos, eu posso me referir, por exemplo, à revisão dos princípios do cooperativismo. Uma atividade importante, norteadora do nosso funcionamento, a qual ele se dedicou, como sempre, com bastante afinco e ótimos resultados. Realmente é uma figura expressiva, brilhante e extremamente colaborativa no movimento cooperativista. Nós devemos muito a Ian Macpherson.
everybody in the cooperative movement across the world knew the name of Ian Macpherson, even if they didn't know the man. I was privileged to know the man. And he was, of course, the person who headed up the commission, or the committee, that revised the principles, the Rochdale Principles, which are so important to the whole global movement. And he was leading that drive to revise them and modernise them in 1995. And then 10 years later, he won the Rochdale Pioneers Prize, which is the highest honour that the global movement can give to any person. So he was a well-known, well-appreciated, much-loved, I would call him one of the grand old men of the cooperative movement, and everybody knew him. Well, of course, his great gift was the revision of the principles in 1995, but he was also a very considerable scholar. He wrote lots about the cooperative movement, and one of the greatest and most lasting, enduring things that he was doing when he so sadly died was to help develop a peace initiative, a peace institute for the cooperative movement. He believed with a passion that cooperatives were and are instrumental in bringing cohesion and bringing peace to communities, because we work together for the best value and the good of the community. And that in itself is something that drives cohesion, coexistence, peace, and end to conflict. And you know, his death was so untimely anyway, but just 3 weeks later, the other grand old man of the cooperative movement who had driven the peace initiative with Ian, Yehuda Paz, also died away. And these two were great friends, and it was a really tragic month, the two of them passing at the same time, the two real grand old men of the cooperative movement, always so knowledgeable, with such experience, and people that I learnt such a huge amount from.